What's up, YouTube world? Another one. I lost my damn key, so I had to go buy another one from GM. And then, I guess you have to show the pink slip, your ID, whatever. They have all that shit stored in there. But yeah. But, let's reprogram the new key fob. So I'm gonna go underneath here. 5 times really fast in 5 seconds. There we go. I heard it. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, I'll be back in 10 minutes. No fobs detected. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back. Damn, I didn't have the camera in my hand. But now it's telling me to wait again. Another 10 minutes. Had to press the accessory button again. I'm gonna film it. Damn, I should film it. But yeah, I filmed it. I mean, it's twice now. Hit that button twice. And here's the original key. That's number 1, ain't it? I've never taken off the condom. The key condom. Let's see. So we got an OG number 1 original key. Seen better days. Replacement key. Here's a new one. This one's gonna probably end up like that one. Later on. Alright, let's pop the seal, man. No seal, no deal. Sip, don't flip. All my drinkers know what I'm talking about. Damn, this shit. Hit it. Another baggie. Exactly. Number 2. That's right. I had to order the right one. Cool. So yeah. Reprogram the bad boys. Put my little Vape Advanced tag on the new one. I ordered a condom for this one too, but I can't find it. But anyways, back to reprogram. God, 1 minute always feels like forever. When you're just waiting. I'm looking at the GoPro timer, but goddamn. Got like 20 seconds left from it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can fast forward the video if you want. Okay, there you go. Hit it off again. No fobs detected. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, ready for fob number 1. Put it there. The button's facing that way. Ready for fob number 3. I don't have a number 3, so I believe I just pressed this. Now let's see. Oh, it does work. Okay, cool. Yep, alright, Draco. Perfect. beautiful. Oh yeah, one last test. Let me do this last test. This is number 2.
I keep 180 when I'm.
So it should say, Jim James, not high me on the beat. That's hard. Okay. Thanks, y'all.
Peace.